y'all, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So today I am doing a foundation review. This is the Sephora Clean Foundation. Now I thought this was a new foundation because when I went to Sephora a few days ago, it was sitting right in front of the store, so I was thinking that this was brand new. But I go on YouTube and I see reviews from 5 months ago and I'm like, I remember seeing this. So I thought this was new, but it's still talked about, so I'm gonna go ahead and review it for you guys. I do have it in the shade 31. So if you want to see how this look is gonna turn out, and if you want to get my thoughts on it, keep on watching. So I'm first gonna go in with my face primer. This is the Facial Hydro Gel. Okay girl, so before I put some hair on, I want to give you guys my thoughts on this foundation. Now this is basically just going to be a first impressions foundation. To me, this is a medium coverage, supposed to be a hydrating foundation. My skin does not look dry at all. I do have dry skin now after turning 30, but yeah, my skin does look better now. So I don't look like my skin is drying out. I look very hydrating, so I don't see that. Can you build this up? I believe you can build this up, but yeah, I'm impressed with this foundation. It does not look like I have cake face, and it was very easy to apply. I did put on a lot and I did get nervous because I thought that I was going to look like a cake face, but it still looked like a natural finish. So maybe it's a natural finish, but to me, I really liked it. I could have did less coverage if I wanted to, in my opinion, once again. But overall, if you was to try this foundation, I don't think you will have any issues with it, depending on your needs. It is only $20, and if it doesn't work out for you, I believe you can return it at Sephora, but check out their return policy. I did use the Sephora online skin shade match. I normally use Kat Von D and Maybelline to help me find my shade, and I got two different results. One was shade 29 and one was shade 25. And they both were not for me at all. I ended up getting shade 31, which I think is perfect for me actually, because I am golding too, but in the summer I do get red, so for right now it matches. So I rambled enough. I'm gonna show you guys how I look with my hair on, and thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys, and I see you guys next time. Bye.